100% now. See we they don't know we but they acting like they do now. Yeah.
Boom, boom, bang, bang, bing. It's your boy Jamaican J with another GTA video. Yeah, today we're gonna be checking out this new phone missions. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna check them out, see what they're all about. I hope they're all that, so we could have some fun. Word up. Yeah, so we're gonna be checking out these new phone missions, see what they're about. Do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you're a first time viewer. And if you're already subscribed, please hit that like button. Hit that notification bell. Yeah, it is much appreciated. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. You know what I'm saying? Your support is much appreciated on this channel. Yeah, man, let's get it on, man. Word up. I'm rolling with the crew today, man. So we're going to check these phone missions out and see what they're about. Oh, yeah, I'm driving a G-Wagon today. Yo, this guy like to go in the back seat. Yo, get the...
Look the fuck out.
There we go. Go in the front seat, man. Why the fuck you keep going in the back seat? Word up. Alright. Okay, so... Oh, shit. I wasn't even looking what I'm doing. Alright, so that's a... I was looking at the map. That green sign right there. That's where I'm going. Go check out these phone missions. Huh? What kind of talking is that? Let's play a mission, man. Getaway driver. Find a car or van with 4 or more seats. Damn, I'm gonna have to get rid of you guys, man. They need a getaway driver. Alright, bro. I'm gonna have to get rid of these guys. I'll see y'all later, man.
What's going on, man? Try that again, homie.
Yo, why this guy took my vehicle, man? Why that guy took my vehicle? I wonder if I could get it back, yo. Let me see if I could catch him at the light. I can't catch him. He's gonna drive off by the time I catch him. I want to pull him out of this shit. Oh, should he go and drive off? Oh, man. Get in there, man. Pull him out. You can't pull him out? Oh. Can't get him out of there. You know why? Because that's my partner. I can't get him out. Alright, I'll just spawn the next vehicle. He took my vehicle. I can't believe he took my vehicle, man. Where's my car that I had? Oh, here it is. Alright, man, I'm ready to go do this mission. Guy took my damn car. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Oh, this thing sounds good. Man, shut up. Oh, they're robbing a bank. Oh, that's why they need a getaway driver. Okay, I'm here, man. Getaway driver right here. Come on, bro. Let's go. Everybody in? Oh, yeah. Open up this. What happened? Oh, they're right on my... Yo, y'all better... Yeah, y'all better get rid of the cops off us. Word up. These cops are coming. What we got? 4 stars?
Dispatch, we got eyes on the front. We're in pursuit.
Come on, come on, come on, car. Get it. Ah.
Hey, come on, punk. Move, man.
Man, this car is not giving me the best corners, man. See this shit spinning out on me, man. I don't like this truck. This truck is not a getaway vehicle. Damn, everybody else driving in my fucking way, yo. I don't like this truck at all for no getaway vehicle. That's for sure. Hope the train ain't coming. Just in case a train is coming, I could move. Gotta watch behind me. Come on, man. Go ahead. Go the hell away. Leave me alone. Just trying to make some money. Yeah, man. Do remember to follow me on TikTok, Jamaican J_Dashanda_X. Okay. Deliver the bank robbers to the target. Yo, these phone missions are not bad, man. I like it. Alright, let me see how I get out of here. Yo, this G-Wagon is not fun to drive. Trying to get away from no cops.
Hey, you just turned this into a bucket.
She got fucked up. I think I was supposed to turn right there. I could turn right here. Dodge Ram. Wonder where these robbers going, man. Let me see where the hell these robbers going. What's the take? The take is what? 1.1? 1.1 mil? Damn, I wonder if where the fuck are they going, man? This is some real hideout. Oh, they're going down there. Okay. Okay, G-Wagon, let me see what you could do. There you go. Burn the vehicle. Burn my vehicle? Oh my lord, I gotta burn my vehicle. Okay, I earned 293. Okay, I'll take that. It's better than what I made on the block. Is it gonna blow up? Nope, it ain't even blow up. Real G-Wagon. Yep, it's done. Alright, let me spawn another one. Okay, where the fuck am I, man? Gotta get down here. I'm gonna teleport down here. I'm not gonna drive all the way down here. Teleport down there. It's gonna take too long for us to drive all the way down here. And there's a phone ringing right here too. Lock my car, yo. Don't want nobody stealing my shit. Hello? Okay, man. Let me see what the mission is. Import, export. Drive around till your radar detects the vehicle we require. Man. Yo, get out of here, man. Alright, we gotta drive around till the radar finds the vehicle that they want me to steal. Okay. Radar's going up. So I must be going the right way. Oh yeah. Yep. Keep going up. Okay. Go this way. Okay, I must be close to this car. Yo, watch it, fool. Take the vehicle, okay. Damn, that car is on my block. Man, what a beauty like you doing around here. Diamond in the rough. Okay, Dinka. Somebody wants you, bro. Sorry. Deliver the vehicle to the barge. Watch it, dude. Watch it. Somebody shooting at me. Oh, shit. Come on, Dinka. Don't do this to me now, man. I need you to drive good, bro. Concentrate, Danielson.
Hey, look out for fools like
Come on, man. Why they spawn that car right there under the... Come on. You're killing me here. They're still behind me, yo. Yep, there's one right there. They'll keep spawning them right there. Oh my god, yo. I hate this traffic. Look at this shit. I don't give a fuck. I'm getting away. Yeah, let's see where I'm going. Oh, this traffic is just crazy right now. I can't even drive without hitting up in somebody for 5 feet.
man, you got off lucky, homie.
Fuck that. Might as well use up his superpower if he got one. Look how they spawned that car right there. Where the barge at? Where the barge at? Well, yo, let me see much. See how much money I get. I gotta do it again. Damn.
Come in. We're getting backed up here.
So I gotta find the next car to go on the barge, huh? I ain't driving no tow truck. Shit is too slow. Oh, traffic jam up here. Oh, that guy's driving fast, man. Must be that red car. Oh, it's this car right here. Okay. I wish the red light had caught him. I'm gonna see if I could go in front of him. Oh shit, he drove off. That motherfucker. He drove off. I think I got an idea, yo. What about stopping the car in front of him? You know what I'm saying? Stop the car in front of him. Yeah, stop this car. Maybe that will work. God, then he's gonna pull up. Okay, there we go. Motherfucker. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out, homie. Thank you, bro. Thanks for the ride, bro. Thanks for the ride, homie. I gotta watch this traffic now. They're gonna start acting crazy. That guy was just floating. How much cars I gotta get, man? Don't tell me I gotta pull this shit up. Damn, man. I can't believe I gotta pull this shit up. I'm not driving that damn tow truck. They better give me a lot of money for this shit.
What the fuck? What shit? Oh my god! Dang!
Get the fuck out, bro.
Weak ass!
Fake ass Mustang. Take a shortcut, fuck that. Oh shit. Gotta take a shortcut, man. Y'all will understand. Oh, I thought that was a car right there, but it's not. Yo, move your Chevrolet, man. It's this car right here. Damn. Yeah, man, I know y'all coming. I know y'all coming. Oh, my car running out of gas? I wonder how much car I gotta put up here. Oh, mission pass. I got 30 grand. Okay. All right. New contact added. Okay. My balance is going up. Okay, so let's see if they got any more missions for us. I see this. What's this? Alright, so if we could find the next telephone. Oh, there's go phone right there. Yeah. There's a phone at this gas station right here.
Mamma verga! Jeez, what was the name again? I was hoping we could continue the conversation we had the other day about my proposal.
How about a few later?
Y'all ain't gonna steal my shit.
No,
Sure, of
Dad.
course,
I met a few beers. Todd and Rex are up for something.
Then how about next week?
Yeah, I know it.
Sure,
I'll see you there after I grab something to eat.
Of course, I'll try
Race
again.
type. I don't want no race, man.
Bye.
Let me see the race type. Time trial race. Alright, let's try out the race. How many laps? 1 lap, man.
Oh, for sure.
What's this? Racist? Okay, G-Wagon. Let's see if you could go win a race. Damn, I like the car.
Hey, dude.
Hey.
Hey, what's up, man?
Uh-huh.
Let's see where this race is going on at. It's right here. So I say racist. Shouldn't it? Maybe it means to say races with ES. I'm gonna put a G-Wagon to the test. I tell you what though, this shit is fast as hell on the straight. It's just the corners, which is, which I think is accurate. These SUVs are not supposed to be good at at corners. Your vehicle is in the wrong class type for the race. I don't know what kind of race, what kind of class I should have, man. I don't have no car. Alright, you know what, let me go. Let me lock this shit. And if this car is good for the race. I just want to start the race. I don't care which car I have. As long as it's the right car. What about this car, man? No? Oh, it's a bicycle race? Oh, you kidding me, man. Y'all kidding me. It's a BMX, okay. It's a BMX race. Oh, shit. Yo, it's not fair that guy got a mountain bicycle, man. I got a little ass BMX. Come on, man. Get these guys, man. I can't pass them. Come on, Frank. Uh, Come on, Frank. Get up off that seat. Get up off that seat, boy. Get up off that seat. Get some breath. Whew. Oh, they coming. Let's go. Don't tell me I gotta go back up that mountain again, yo. Damn, Franklin, you tired, bro. You tired. Oh, shit. These guys are right behind me, too, man. I don't know how they're catching me up, but they are. Oh, shit, I missed my turn. Oh, man. I missed my damn checkpoint and everything. Right here. Come on, man. I fucked up. I ain't gonna win this race no more. I think I got the wrong bicycle. Can't catch these motherfuckers now. Come on, man. Get off that. These guys are gone. Oh, man. I only got $1,000 because I came third. Oh, well.
Somebody call the popo.
Oh, man. I came third. I had the wrong bicycle. That's all it is. Small ass bicycle. Shoot. All right, man. Let me get my vehicle. Not a bad mission. I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying the mission so far, man. These missions are cool. I like them. Definitely got to do a part 2. Woo, that was close. Watch it, man. And you ain't gonna turn on. You wasn't gonna turn unless you see me turn. Ain't no phones around here. Wow, what a nice view. Hold up, phone. Okay, go to the Group 6 van by Eclipse Boulevard. Alright, let's do that. See what this mission is about. They say moron. Damn, where the fuck is this place, man? Yo, this G-Wagon drives like an AMG. It must be an AMG G-Wagon. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Yo, dude, what you playing over there, man? Oh, word.
Whatever.
Man, I was just watching you, bro. Damn.
Come on, man. Don't screw with me. I'm gonna call the cops on you.
Bro, I didn't even do nothing. Go ahead and play your drum, man. Play what you was playing. Damn. Let's see what's going on in this truck, man. What y'all want me to do up in here?
Hello there.
Y'all want me to drive it?
Hello there.
There is a case in a store near Las Lagunas Boulevard. All right, whatever that's supposed to mean.
Oh, man.
I think I'm gonna change the texture of these trucks, man. I'm gonna put on real security services on these trucks, like Brinks or something, instead of Group 6.
That's my last.
Hey, what the? Some days I feel like I'm living in paradise. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, y'all should have told me so I could dress like a security.
Let me know if you need help.
Okay, I'll let you know. Get this case. Okay, enter the van.
Those are selling like hotcakes.
So how that dude didn't come out the van, man? You just sitting in there.
Hello there.
Yep.
Boom, 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 bye, yay. Long time no see. Yo, these people, they be talking some shit in this game. You hear me? And fun fact, yo, I heard that the people who did the programming for the people on the street for this game, they're not even from America. think they're from Switzerland somewhere. Somewhere over there in Europe. Alright, let me see. That's it? That was an easy mission if that was it. Yo, this guy keep playing the drum. Where is he, man? I hope he don't run from me this time, man. Last time I went up there, he started catching an attitude. Let me stay over here. What you think, bro? You think I can't play an instrument too? Show you I could play an instrument, bro. Let me see something. What you playing there, man? Let me see if I could jump in. See if I could find my guitar. I'm looking for my guitar.
It's a very un-Christian place, Jerry. I wouldn't recommend it. We've still got a few days. See you when you're back.
Are we in rhythm? Are we in rhythm or what, bro? I don't think we're in rhythm, bro. Let me start it. I'm trying to catch you on the beat. No, sir, that don't sound right, bro. Nope, nope, that don't sound right. Let's see if I could find a different instrument, man. See if I got any more instrument. I only got the guitar, man. That's all I got. Bro, you're not in rhythm with me, bro. No, sir, you're not. No, sir, you're not in rhythm. Fuck you, man. You don't know what you're doing. You ain't gonna make $1 today, bro. Oh, that's the next mission again. Right here. Yeah, man, I'm gonna do a part 2, man. I'm gonna keep this one short and spicy. I'm gonna leave the video right here. Yeah, hear the phone ringing? That's the next mission. But there's so much missions to do, man. This is just scratching the surface. So we're gonna be doing more missions in part 2. Word up. Yo, this guy, man. I wonder how I play drums, yo. I forgot how to play drums, yo. Let me try in menu. Scenario. All right, bro. Let's come on now. They want you. Let's have a. I can't play the bongo. Why not? Because he's playing the bongos, I can't play them. Come on, man. That ain't fair, yo. I can't play nothing. I'm tired of playing the guitar, man. I don't want to play no more guitar. I want to play drums. Damn, I can't play nothing else. I want to play the bongos. They're right here. Why I can't play them? I can't play the guitar either. Man, fuck this, man. Maybe it's in animations. Yeah, I ain't got no animations, bro. Thought I could play the drums with him. Yeah, man, but this is where we're gonna leave the video. Do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell.
Whatever.
Yo, shut up, man.
Come on, man. Don't screw with me. I'm gonna call the cops on you.
Alright, let me go over here, man. Don't call the cops on me.
I'm calling the police. This ain't.
Hey, bro, didn't I ask you not to call the cops, man? Huh? Didn't I? Get out of here, man. Yeah, man, so this is where we're gonna leave the video. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. If you're a first time viewer, do remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell and share the video. To all my subscribers, please hit that like button, please hit that notification bell. Your support is much appreciated. 21 gun salute again to all my peoples, man. Word up. Thanks for watching. God bless. One.